Hey, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing two things. First of all, we're going to be unboxing a pair of extra laces, the orange laces for the Nike Off-White Air Prestos. I bought these from a website called Slickies just to kind of see how the product was, shipping time, and if it looks anything like the original Nike Off-White shoelaces. So that's what we are going to be unboxing today, and I will also be doing a restoration of my Nike Off-White Prestos because, as you can see, they're pretty beat. We have some scuffs. I'll try to get the scuffs out of the outsole here, as well as some of the dirt and frayings and all that stuff. I haven't done this before, but I hope it turns out great. I have some ideas on how to make these look almost as new again. That's basically what we are going to be doing today. If you like the video, please make sure to help me out by liking this video and subscribe. And yeah, let's begin the unboxing first. So I bought them from a website called Slickies. If it is good quality, I will leave the link for the website down in the description. If it ain't there, you know, let's check out the package. So it comes in this little bag here. Extra bag, nothing left inside the package. So I believe that the Slickies website says it's from the US, but the package is sent from China. But it comes in a nice little branded package here. As you can see, Slickies up at the top corner right there, orange pair of laces. And it actually guides you on the website saying that if you buy for the Nike Off-White Prestos, you need to get a length of 160 centimeters. So just open it like this. Okay, it feels very, like, really good quality actually. I'll do a comparison real quick with the official Nike Off-White Presto laces, but as you can see, it says shoelaces right there. Very good quality. Tip of the lace right here. Okay, so I just pulled out the white laces, which were the official shoelaces, and as you can see, let me just zoom you out a little bit. Right there. As you can see, they are the same length, 160 centimeters. So the length is correct. As far as the material, it is spot on. I cannot feel any difference. Obviously I can't tell of the colors because I haven't had official orange shoelaces for the Prestos, but it looks damn good. And as far as the lettering seems a little bit cheap, nothing that stands out at least. Definitely approved from Slickies. I'll leave a link in the description for these, and they actually have all kinds of custom laces for your shoes. Not only official ones like the orange ones here, but you can buy green ones for the Prestos, and you can also buy for Yeezys as well. They also have what are these called? These are round laces. They also have flat laces, so all kinds of laces. So I've tried to set this up properly. This is going to be the restoration part for the Nike Off-White Prestos. Hopefully you can see it all well. I'll try to get up some close-up shots. The process, we're basically going to be cleaning these all around, both the upper as well as the midsole and outsole. Afterwards, we're going to be seeing if we can get the wrinkles out of the midsole, as you can see. And for that, we will be using an iron as well as and also we'll also be putting it in the washing machine just to get all the dirt out. But first of all, let's do a overall cleaning of the shoes. So first step, we're going to be removing the laces as well as the off-white tag. So we got the laces out of the shoes. So this is a before shot. As you can see, crinkles, scuffs, dirt on the front, dirt on the side, dirt in the back, and the bottom. Okay, so first thing we will be doing is cleaning them up. And for this part, we are just going to be using a ball, some dishwash, just put some squirt in there, and then hot water. I'll use a soft bristle brush. That's the only thing, both for the outsole as well as the material itself. I also have a sponge for the more delicate places, and a pair of shoe trees. So we adjust the shoe trees to size and we start to clean. So we'll take the bristle brush first, dip it in some water and just take the sponge for the upper part, under the cage as well. The mud guard, pretty dirty. So a good thing is to put shoe tree in before cleaning, because then you can apply pressure on the front foot, which makes it much easier to clean. Ja? Ja, tak. Jeg siger ja tak. Nej, der stykker 2 eller sådan. Also on the strap is a pain in the ass to clean. Okay. Which I'm going to put each shoe in, just like that. And so boom. So I'll throw these in the washing machine for half an hour or something like that, cold cycle, and when it's done, I'll get back. They just finished up in the washing machine, and I gotta say, the washing machine did its job. They smell brand new, or cleaned at least, and as you can see, very clean. Also the tongue is almost as brand new inside here, very clean. You can also check on the back heel here, nothing to come off, very clean. So before we finish off this video, I'll try to take out the wrinkles on the midsole, and to do that we need a towel as well as the iron, and basically what we will be doing is we will not apply the iron directly on it. We will use the towel here and then place it on top of the wrinkles, and then iron on it. And of course you can do this over and over again just to get all the crinkles out. I'll just try to do this very quickly. The more you do it, the more crinkles you can get out, but as you can see, pretty clean, except from the toe area here where it's extra bad. The final thing to do is pretty much just to lace these bad boys up. Another thing you could have done is burning off some of the fraying on the front here, but I actually think it looks good when it's beat up a little bit. But yeah, I'll just lace these up with the new orange laces from Slickies.